This is electromagnetic popcorn machine. All materials pure 304 stainless steel. 75 to 80 kilogram popcorn power. Smart control panel. Popping, heating, coating 3-in-1. Add oil. 8 gears heating control. Thorough heating and planetary mixing. Adjustable mixing speed. Add syrup. Add sugar. High thermal efficiency. Precise temperature control. Add corn. Popping popcorn. Evenly coating. Mixing arm tilted backwards automatically. Automatic discharging. Non-sticky pot. Easy to clean. Work constantly. Popping any flavored crispy mushroom popcorn directly.